Hi everybody. Hope you're doing well today. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate that. I wanted to start out by showing you some of my pieces that I've done. This is a Dutch pour that I did. Some beautiful colors. It's got some great lacing in it. Here's another one. I think all of these that I pulled out are Dutch pours. And the reason I pulled them out is I wanted to let everyone know that I have finally set up my Etsy store. So these are some of the pieces that I have for sale on there. So here's another one that I did with some beautiful metallic sapphire, some pinks in it, some beautiful selling, a little webbing in here. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these pieces, you can either contact me through my email, which you'll find in the links below, and my Etsy shop is also in the links below. So let's go ahead and get started with today's pour. I'm going to put some gloves on. And I want to do another Dutch pour. Dutch pour is a method where you use your blow dryer to manipulate the paint into that beautiful design that looks like a flower, or something more abstract. You can do a wave or different things. I am going to shoot for a flower-like appearance today, like the ones that I just showed to you. So I'm going to lay down my white paint. And this is kind of thinned out. Just kind of move it around. Don't quite need to cover the sides yet. If it drips over, that's fine too. I had that shook up quite well, so I've got a lot of bubbles in there, and I see that I have something that I need to remove in there. So tweezers can be very handy if you're doing this kind of painting. I'm going to give that a torch, get the air bubbles out. Spent most of my morning this morning mixing up some paints, getting ready to do some videos. Today, my color palette is going to be on the side of the pinks. I picked out some Quinacridone Magenta, a medium magenta. This is a Persian red, which is a very light pink. I've also grabbed some of my Deco Art Extreme Sheen colors. This is a pink Tourmaline. And I have a rose quartz. These are both the Deco Art Extreme Sheen paints. And they usually leave some very interesting effects. So I believe I'm going to start just off center here with some of my Persian red. Some pink tourmaline in here. These are metallic colors. I'm going to go to the medium magenta. Some rose quartz. Oh, that's such a pretty pink. Some of the Quinacridone magenta. I'm going to top that off with a tiny bit of rose quartz because I like it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit of paint around this. And I'm going to blow it with my blow dryer. I put my blow dryer on cool and high to blow it out. So here we go. I'm just going to blow a little bit of white paint over it, and then I'm going to blow it out. is so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Some really pretty lacing going on in here. I'm just going to use my straw and blow out the corners a little bit. Add a little bit of white paint. Didn't quite reach this corner. Didn't quite reach this corner. So, I'm going to move some of this a little bit. I like it, I like it. Just going to move this bit to cover my edges. So that I get good coverage on the sides when it dries. Move it a little bit. I want to make sure I don't have too much paint on there when it dries. Don't want it to crack. And it looks like it's beautiful. So here we go, guys. Some beautiful pink wisps up in here. A little bit of selling action going on. Some nice webbing down here. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you hit the bell and hit all, you'll get notified when all of my videos are uploaded, and you can come and visit with me again. I'll see you next time. Bye.